welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to use Google Translate. So if you also want to use Google Translate, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So there are several ways through which you can use Google Translate. If you want to download the application, Google Translate application is also available. So if you want to use Google Translate in your mobile, you can definitely download the application. But the easiest way to use Google Translate is through the website. All you have to do is open Google Chrome. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now click on the search bar and type in translate.google.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Google Translate. Here you can see several options like text, images, documents, websites. There are several languages that you can upload. You can see the languages over here. There are about more than 800 languages that you can upload. And you can translate those languages to several languages. You can see the language choices over here. You can click on the language that you want to translate to. So using Google Translate is very simple. All you have to do is click on the box right over here. Now type in whatever you want to translate. You can see the translated language over here. Right now I'm translating from English to Spanish. So you can also upload images. All you have to do is click on the option images. Now from here you can upload the images. Simply click on the option browse your files. Now from here upload any image of your choice. Find the image that you want to upload. Now click on the open option. Now choose the language in which you want to translate. If you do not find the language choice over here, you can click right over here. And from here you can click on the language to which you want to translate. Now you can see over here the image will be translated. All the text of the image will be translated into the language that you've selected. You can also translate the whole document. Simply click on the option Documents. Now click on the option Browse your files. Now select the file. Now simply click on the Open option. Now select the language to which you want to translate. Simply click on the language. Now here you'll be able to see the option for translate. All you have to do is click on it. After the translation is completed, you can see two options over here: download translation, open translation. Click on the option open translation. Now here you'll be able to see the translated version. You can also download it. Simply click on the option download translation. After that it will be downloaded and you can open it and see. You can also translate the whole website. Simply click on the option websites. Now here you'll be able to see your box. All you have to do is click on it. Now paste the link of any website that you want to translate. Simply copy the link from the website that you've opened and all you have to do is press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now what you have to do is click on the arrow icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to this kind of page. Here you'll be able to see the translated version of the website. So you can also see the history over here. All you have to do is click on the history icon that you can see right over here. And from here you'll be able to access your history. You can also clear the history if you want. All you have to do is click on the option clear all history. If you have saved any translation, you can click on the option saved, and after that you'll be able to see all the saved translations over here. Right now I haven't saved any. So like this, you'll be able to use the Google Translation. So that is how you use Google Translation. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.